In the lecture, we have studied about your characteristics of the junction diode. We have two characteristics in the junction diode. First one is forward bias, and second one is reverse bias. And when is it called as forward bias? When we are giving positive voltage across anode with respect to cathode, then PN junction diode is said to be in the forward bias, right? So today we are going to study about forward and reverse characteristics of PN junction diode. Look at the circuit connection here. In this circuit, we have given a 0 to 15 volt variable DC supply to the diode, that is the anode of the diode. From cathode of the diode, a resistor is connected, load is connected. From the load, cathode is connected, load. This is positive supply of the source. From positive supply of the source, resistor is connected in series. Second terminal of resistor will be connected to the anode of the diode. So it is connected to the anode of the diode. The cathode of the diode, this is the cathode of the diode, is connected to voltmeter. We need to have a voltmeter to read the voltage across the diode. So this is connected as parallel. These two terminals, this one and this one, are connected at parallel. In this kit, we have facility to measure both voltage and current. If we connect these two terminals here, then we will able to measure the voltage. If we move toggle switch toward voltmeter, then we will be able to read voltage. And if we move toggle switch here in the current position, then we will able to read the current. This is current terminal of this current. Okay. Now this is from cathode. From cathode, this is connected in this series. So from cathode, this is connected to source. Is it clear? We have separately added a voltmeter parallel to the voltage source to measure the supply voltage. Is this any doubt of this case? अभी तक कोई डाउट है नहीं? अब हम स्टडी करते हैं. अभी सप्लाई वोल्टेज मेरा 0 है. Slowly we are going to increase the supply voltage. And what is going to happen in the PN junction? In the PN junction diode, जब डायोड के अक्रॉस का जो वोल्टेज वो 0.6 या 0.7 से ज़्यादा बढ़ता है, तो वी हैव स्टडी फॉरवर्ड जंक्शन का डायोड है, उसका जो जंक्शन होता है वो ब्रेक डाउन होता है. जंक्शन की विड्थ होती है वो कम होती जाती है, बाद में उसका ब्रेक डाउन होता है. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी एंड आफ्टर ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ द जंक्शन वी विल ऑब्जर्व एक्सपोनेंशियली इंक्रीजिंग करंट. करंट जो है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बढ़ता हमको दिखाई देता है. ठीक है, तो हम चेक करें. Let's say I am slowly increasing the supply voltage. Now you can see our supply voltage has been increased to 0.2 volt. This is the supply voltage that has been increased to 0.2 volt. Up to still voltage across diode is 0.1 volt, 0.1 volt. You can see now at 0.1 volt, what is the value of the current? There is no current flowing in the diode. So our reading will be, you can see what will be our reading. This is VDC, this is supply voltage. So our reading will be 0.2 volt, right? 0.0 milliampere current is flowing from the diode. And voltage across diode, to measure the voltage we need to toggle up the switch, right? So we are toggling up the switch and we can see the 0.1 volt across the diode. Okay. Slowly we are increasing voltage. Now voltage across diode has been increased to 0.3 volt. So we will write 0.3 volt across the voltage. At the same time the supply voltage is 0.4 and current across diode. Current through the diode. What is the value of the current through the diode? It's still in the 0 ampere. Diode is not still allowing the current. Why? Because there is no still breakdown of the forward junction of the diode. There is no up to still junction is intact, barrier potential is intact. Okay. Now we are further increasing the voltage. Let's say voltage across diode has been increased to 0.5. So voltage across diode is now how much value? 0.5 volt. This is the supply voltage, which is actually 0.9 volt. Let me check the current flowing through the diode. This is the value of the current flowing through the. We are observing the current. How much value is there? 0.3. See, in the forward bias, the current flowing through the diode will be in the range of the milliampere. We are getting higher and higher current in the forward bias only. In the reverse bias, if we are observing the Zener diode characteristics or Zener breakdown in the reverse bias characteristics, we can observe that its current is in microampere range. So whenever you are plotting the characteristics of PN junction diode, please keep in the mind that forward characteristics should be in the range of the milliampere and the reverse characteristics should be in the range of the microampere. Is it clear? Okay. Now further we are increasing the voltage. Let's say I am giving the 0.6 volt to the diode. What is the input supply voltage? 1.24 volt. Let me check the current flowing through the diode. Sorry, this is 0.5 volt. This is still 0.5. So we need to increase some voltage. Okay, now it's going to 0.6. This is 0.6 volt. Okay, what is the value of the supply voltage now? 2.83. Okay, let me check the current flowing through the diode. Has it been increased or not? You can see current has been increased from 0.3 to 2.2. What is the value of the breakdown of the junction in the diode? It is 0.7. Okay, now turning this toggle switch to the voltage parameter. Okay. You can see we are not able to increase on the voltage of the diode across the diode. The voltage across the diode has been constant. So in this theory we have studied that after the breakdown of the PN junction diode, the diode is work as a switch only. It will work as a switch only. So you can see the voltage across the diode is 0.6 is now constant. Even if you are increasing the supply voltage, that is has been increased to 5.5 volt. What is the supply voltage now? It is 5.5 volt. What is the voltage across the diode now? It is 0.6 volt. Let me check out the current across the current flowing through the diode. Current flowing through the diode has been increased to 4.8 volt. Now let me further increase the voltage of the diode. You can see only supply voltage is increasing. Supply voltage is, even if your supply voltage has been increased to 7.15 volt. Okay, diode across the voltage has been constant to 0.6 volt and the current is now 6.2 milliampere. Is it clear? Okay, now further increasing the current, you can see what is the voltage across the diode now? It is even constant 0.6 volt. Okay, what is the supply voltage? 9.81. Okay, what is the value of the current? Current is flowing 7.3 million. Okay, now I think 7 readings, we have 7 readings and these are readings for sufficient for making the characteristics, for drawing the characteristics. Let me try to draw some characteristics of forward bias of PN junction. We are drawing, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. On the y-axis we are drawing a current, emitter current, okay, which is in the range of the milliampere, right? And this is supply voltage. Okay. What will be the scale of the diode? Which scale we have to choose? We have to choose a scale from 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 like that. Okay. This is our zero value. Okay. This is 0.1. This is 0.2, 0.3. 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Okay, and what will be the range of the current? We are getting current up to 7 milliampere, so we will need to take a scale of 1 milliampere range, right? This will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 5, this will be 6, this will be 7. This is, mind it, this will be in the range of the microampere because this is in the forward characteristics. If we are plotting the reverse characteristics, it will be in the range of the microampere. Okay. 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 So from if there is a no voltage, current flowing through the diode is 0. So keep in mind this characteristic will be starts from the origin point. You can also see this will be the starting from the origin point. Okay, now at 0.1 volt, that will be somewhere here. The voltage is at 0.1 volt, the current flowing is only 0 ampere. At 0.3, the current flowing is the 0. Okay. At 0.5, that will be almost on the half of these characteristics or half of this scale, right? At 0.5 volt, current will be 0.3 milliampere. At 0.6, that will be somewhere here. The current is
2.3.
sorry, there is some mistake. At 0.1 volt, current is 0. So characteristics will be here, point will be here. At 0.3, current is 0. Current is characteristic will be here. At 0.5, it is 0.3. At 0.6, it is 2.2. Okay. Then again at increasing 0.6, it will be 4.8. It will be again 6.2. If you are connecting all these points together, then 0, 0 from here, here from here, here from here. This is connecting point, this is again connecting point, and this is the final connecting point, right? So you are getting the characteristics like that. Okay, so from the characteristics, you can observe that at this point, diode gets breakdown. So you can say it is a forward breakdown voltage of the diode, right? VFBO. Clear? This is clear? Okay. Also, this voltage is known as knee voltage of the diode, right? Clear? This is clear? So, this is the forward characteristics of the diode. Now, coming to the point of reverse characteristics of the diode. Now coming to the reverse characteristics of the diode. For reverse biasing the diode, we need to interchange the supply of the positive and negative. We will study it later.